Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to share files from Google Drive on iPhone. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, firstly here of course you just have to open your Google Drive, and here you just have to choose the file that you want to share. For example, I'm going to share this file. Just tap on this three dots icon, and after just tap on this share options at the first option here guys. And then here for the access you can manage it and change it. For the example, I'm gonna tap on this manage access, and here you can choose from this general access. Tap on it and you can see the restricted option and anyone with the link. And if you want to share it, you just have to choose these two options. If you want to choose this restricted, you can share it by only people added can open the link or the files that you share, you guys. If you want to use this anyone with the link, you can share your link to anyone and they can access your files that you share. For example, here I'm gonna use this anyone with the link, and after here you can go back. If you use for the restricted, you can add the people here. You just have to enter for the emails here guys. And if you use for the anyone, here I'm gonna tap on this again, share, and go ahead to this icon. Just tap on this icon again at the top right, and for the link is already copied, you just have to share for the link only here guys. Or also here you can go back again, tap on this three dots icon, and now simply you just have to tap on this copy link, and if you have copied it, you just have to share the link, and you can share it by another application like WhatsApp, Facebook, or etc. So yeah, I think it's enough guys. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.